Rami and Stuart here, and we want to show you how to spend a day in Ponta Delgada, Portugal.
Ponta Delgada is the largest of the infamous Azores in the North Atlantic Ocean.
Let's get started.
We are Rami and Stuart of the GloveTrotters, happily retired and traveling one adventure at a time.
We're going to spend the day exploring Ponta Delgado. It's really just a 500-year-old volcanic island. We're going to explore it with our amazing 91-year-old in tow. We've docked at the cruise terminal and we're winding our way around the Portas do Mar Marina on our way into town. As we walk past the marina, there are some stairs, but our 91-year-old is conquering them slow but steady. So this level area here is called the Marginal, and it runs all along the coastline. It's nice and flat. Looking down, you'll see what's called Portuguese pavement everywhere. It's remarkable because every single piece of this white limestone and black basalt is actually laid by hand. It's amazing. All right, we're starting right here at the harbor with the statue of Gonçalo Velho Cabral. It's a wide paved area, you can see, perfect for getting your bearings. As we cross over the Portas Delgado, notice the ground stones. This is the famous Portuguese pavement. Gonçalo Velho Cabral is the man who discovered these islands in the 1400s. The city gates, so the iconic three arches that you see today were moved from the original location in 1952 to make way for traffic improvements down there along the waterfront. They were originally built in 1783 as a ceremonial entrance to the city. They're quite beautiful. Next to the gates is the town hall and its magnificent fountain of Archangel Michael, dating back to 1791. Just behind the city gates is the St. Sebastian Parish Church. The church was dedicated to St. Sebastian, who the locals believed could protect the island from plague. This whole area here is great because it's level, covered with amazing tile, the Portuguese pavement. There's also tons of benches to sit and relax on. Honestly, it's also a great place to people watch. One thing to note, the Portuguese pavement is beautiful, but it can get slick when it's raining, so just be aware, be mindful. One of the great things about these old European cities is the little side streets. They have all kinds of cool little shops. Again, beautiful artwork on the ground. Again, be careful, it's wet. You like the tiger? Yeah. These small streets have small churches, little parks, aged buildings, each with their own story to tell. Beautiful courtyards and some amazing grand gates. The side streets are equally cool. One thing we've learned quickly is to stay on the side of the road where the cars are parked. When we travel, one of the things we like to see is like local grocery stores, see what they have to offer. It's a great way to see a bit more of the day-to-day local life. So here's the entrance to the Jardim Antônio Borges gardens. And that was the supermarket right there. And of course, once you come around this corner, it's amazing. It's a very innocuous entrance. Wow, beautiful. Now living in Florida, we've come to love banyan trees. This one's no exception. Look, I mean, these roots are just amazing. If you come here, make sure you find the caves that are located below the stone bridge. It's like a natural labyrinth. There's also a stone tower at the northeast end that's definitely worth a look, if only for the views from the top. So you can see there are lots of places to relax, enjoy a variety of plant life, while taking what is no doubt a much-earned rest and sit down and just enjoy the nature all around you. You can also take a tour of the gardens using some local transport. Most of the main paths here are pretty easy for great-grandma to navigate, which makes it for a nice break from the city streets. Now we head back to the shoreline with more Portuguese pavement, a really cool monument, and more amazing architecture. So we finally made our way back to the Marginal, where there's plenty of places to take a rest. Here's a very cool monument in honor of the Portuguese sailors who fought in the First World War. Just behind the monument is the 16th century fort of São Brás that was built specifically to defend against pirate attacks. As we continue east along the Marginal, we see the immigrant statue, the mid-19th century Fontenario, and the distinctive Port Authority building. We're back at the Gonçalo Velho Square. So we just decided, spur of the moment, to do a carriage ride. It's about 48 minutes at just €15 each. This is a great way to see the uphill parts of the town without the climb. So we're trotting past the University of the Azores, the Carlos Machado Museum, and the Antero de Quintal Garden, and the Palace of Justice. This is definitely the best way to get a quick look around the city, especially the central part of the city, and really to appreciate kind of the old town feel of Ponta Delgado. Rami and her mom had a great time being carriaged all around town. Like that, did they? One last set of steps, but at least these are all downhill. A last look at the Church of San Pedro and a monumental crab battle inside the Portas do Mar cruise complex, and our visit is done. So in all, we've walked the entire 3-mile loop today in about 4.5 hours, including the carriage ride. Well, our 91-year-old great-grandma was her usual amazing self, and we got to experience yet another amazing port town.
We are the GloveTrotters, and we hope you enjoyed exploring Ponta Delgada with us. For more travel guides and inspiration, visit us at theglovetrotters.com. And if you love this video, please make sure to subscribe and explore with us. We can't wait to see you on our next adventure.